Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up the settings application, and in here you want to navigate to the very first option called About Phone. Next, by scrolling down, you'll find the option called Factory Reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, this list importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. And if you have anything like that that you like to back up or maintain, more like, you can back it up. And you do have two options to back up your device. One will be when you select Erase All Data. Now, I get the pop-up right away, but if you have a screen lock, you will need to first put in your screen lock and then you will get the pop-up. And as you can see, it gets us this info: backup items first. All backups stored on this device will be deleted. Permanently backup important items to your computer and Xiaomi Cloud before performing a factory reset. Now I want to point out this says and, not or, which would be freaking nice for you to choose if your data could maybe not be stored on someone else's computer. Because cloud, like Xiaomi Cloud, basically means that Xiaomi stores it on their own drives, and technically that means that they own your data. Does that sound like a good way to back up your data? Because I kind of don't think so. So in general, I will always recommend to grab something like a cable, connect it to your computer, and then plug it to your device, and just manually drag over every file that you want to keep from the phone to your desktop, and boom, you go. You have your backup created. All the data that you want to maintain is now permanently stored on your own computer at your own terms, and it's there as long as you need it. Now, this will be very kind of important because there are some regulations for how long companies can store your personal data on their servers. Previously, they would be storing it for as long as they freaking want to, because data is money for them. But nowadays, they can't really do that. So what you can probably be sure about them doing with it is feeding it to the AI machine, so they can machine learn the shit out of it and then delete it. So the AI got smarter from your own data, but hey, you no longer have access to it. Now, that access, I believe it's about 2 or 3 years. I don't remember which one it is. But after that amount, if you don't do anything with this data, it's just going to be poofed out of existence. So by creating a backup to your own computer, you, number one, remove the possibility of your data being used to train any kind of AI bullshit that later on company will want you to pay for, even though it was technically trained on your own data. But anyway, that's number one. Number two, it's being definitely more safe, being stored on your computer. You, number three, don't have the restrictions to when you can restore it, as when you restore or when you're creating a backup to Xiaomi Cloud, only a Xiaomi device can restore this backup. Therefore, any other brand doesn't have access to it, making it kind of useless backup. So doing this on your computer, you don't have this kind of problem. And lastly, the data will be stored on your computer as long as you want to keep it there. 3 years later, no magical force will come in and delete it from your computer. It's only going to be you. So that's what I recommend doing. Anyway, I don't have anything on this phone that I want to back up, so I'm just going to jump here to selecting factory reset. And I do want to point out right here we have a info that this data will be deleted. Then it tells us that the data will be deleted, so back it up. Then we get another pop-up. This one is a little bit less important, but it's the eSIM. If you use an eSIM, you might probably want to clear it. If you don't, you can still clear it, doesn't really matter. Now, if you're resetting this device and going to continue using it while you also were using eSIM, you maybe are interested in the keep option instead. But majority of you will want to select clear. And we get, oh, there we go, 10 seconds of timer to let us know for the third time that all data will be removed. Are we sure? Yes. Oh, and now we have a fourth time that it tells us that the data will be removed and this cannot be undone. Well, great, Xiaomi. I love that you consider all your user base to be room temperature IQ and give them a 20-second timer before they can begin the process. So inadvertently you wasted 20 seconds of everyone's life that we can never get back. Thanks. So once the actual reset begins, after those wasted 20 seconds, this will take about 1-2 minutes max to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. Oh, I got a SIM card in here, so let me pop that out. There we go, so this can disappear. And there we go, the reset is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.